Hello student, today we do chapter 2nd fractions and decimals exercise 2.5 of class 7th. See, table is on your screen. 100 we can write it as 100, tens 10, ones 1, tenth THS here. That means decimal part. We can write it as 1 by 10. Hundredth THS. 1 by 100. THS means to say number goes in decimal form. For example, here 2 at 100th place, 100, 5 at tens, 3 at ones, 1 at 10th place, 4 as 100th place. Then number becomes 253. THS means to say decimal number 0.14. $47.25. Fine. Now sum number 1. Which is greater? Which is greater? बड़ा है. कंपेयर करना है आपने 0.5 और 0.05. सबसे पहले आप इसमें नंबर पार्ट को कंपेयर करेंगे जो कि डेसिमल से पहले है. देन वी गोज टू डेसिमल पार्ट, 10th प्लेस, देन 100th प्लेस, देन 1000th प्लेस, जैसे भी आपको नंबर गिवन है. सी कंपेयर 0 0 सेम. तो आप किस पर जाएंगे? डेसिमल पार्ट पर. हेयर 5 एट 10th प्लेस, हेयर 0 at 10th place, and we know that 5 is greater than 0. That means 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Second, 0.7 or 0.5. First compare number part, that is 0. Both are same. After it we goes to decimal part at 10th place. 10th place में यहाँ का है 7 और सेकंड में 5. 7 is greater than 5. That means 0.7 is greater than 0.5. आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप कंपेयर करना है आप सभी ने. पार्ट सेकंड 7 और 0.7. नंबर पार्ट में आपके पास क्या है? वंस डिजिट पर 7, हेयर वंस डिजिट पे क्या है? 0. 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 0. दैट मीन्स 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 0.7. फोर्थ पार्ट 1.37 और 1.49. कंपेयर वंस डिजिट 1 1 same. Then we goes to 10th digit. Here 3, here 4. 3 is less than 4, means to say 1.37 is less than 1.49. We have to find which is greater. You will write here 1.49 is greater. Okay guys. Now next, fifth part, 2.03 or 2.30. Number part same, 2 2. Now we goes to 10th place, THS. सिंबल साइन क्या है आपके पास? डेसिमल नंबर का THS. कंपेयर here 0, here 3. 0 is less than 3, means to say 2.03 is less than 2.30. Hence 2.30 is greater. Last part, part 6, 0.8 or 0.88. Compare number part 0 0. Then we goes to 10th place, 8 8, same. Then we goes 100th place, here 0, here 8. That's why 0 is less than 8. Then 0.8 is less than 0.88. Hence 0.88 is greater. Clear? Now the next is sum number. Now the sum 2 express as rupees using decimals. 7 paisa. First part, we know 100 paisa equals to makes 1 rupee. Then 1 paisa makes 1 by 100. Now solve. 7 into 1 by 100. 7 by 100. Convert it into decimal. Count 0, 1, 2 zeros. Then makes here 2 digit 1, 2, dot 1. Rupees 0.07. Second part. 7 rupees 7 paisa. Mark plus in between. Rupees 7 plus 7 into 1 by 100. Rupees 7 plus rupees 7 by 100. 7 by 100 makes 0.07. Now add. किस तरह से आपने ऐड करना है, सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, नंबर पार्ट में अरेंज करेंगे और डेसिमल पार्ट में. देन इट बिकम्स रुपीज 7.07. थर्ड पार्ट, ₹77. Third part, 77 rupees plus 77 paisa. Rupees 77 plus 77 by 100. 1 paisa is equals to 1 by 100 rupee. Rupees 77 plus, convert it into decimal form, 2 zeros. Then put decimal like this. Now adding, डॉट के नीचे डॉट, आपने इसको इस तरह से अरेंज करना है. देन इट बिकम्स 77.77. रुपीज 77.77. पार्ट फोर्थ, 50 पैसा. 50 into 1 by 100. Cancel 0 from 0. 5 by 10 makes rupees 0.5. एक जीरो है तो एक जीरो से, एक डिजिट से पहले आपने क्या लगा दिया है, पॉइंट लगा दिया है. 235 पैसा makes 235 into rupee 1 by 100. Multiply 235 into 1 235, by में 100. Now put decimal 2 digits. 110.2 rupee 2.35. Now we comes to sum number 3. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Sum number 3. First part, 5 centimeter. We know 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Then 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. Write down now. 5 into 1 centimeter. Centimeter. In place of centimeter, you will write 1 by 100 meter. Now multiply 5 by 100 and put decimal, count zeros, 2, make here 2 decimal part, 5, 0, put dot, or we can say decimal, 0.05 meter. Second part, in kilometer, in a kilometer. Then change it now. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Here the question is 5 centimeter, which we have to convert it into kilometer. We will pick this question from here, because we can write 5 centimeter as 0.05 meter. 5 centimeter is equals to 0.05 meter. Then 0.05 meter. In place of meter, you will write here 1 by 1000 kilometer. Then it makes 5 by 100 into 1 by 1000. 5 by 100 fractional form. 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, directly multiply. Now count the zeros and put decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 0. That is your required answer. Now the sum number 3 part second. These are the sub part of sum number 3 part first. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, in meter and in a किलोमीटर. मिलीमीटर सबसे छोटा डिजिट, सबसे छोटा यूनिट है मिलीमीटर. आपको लर्न करने का वे बता देते हैं, आप इससे डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं. बिगेस्ट यूनिट किलोमीटर, देन हेक्टामीटर, डेकामीटर, मीटर, डेसीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मिलीमीटर. आप इसे लर्न करें. आप इसको ऐसे भी लर्न कर सकते हैं. किंग हैरी डाइड, मैरी डिडंट क्राई मच. सबके बीच में 10 का गैप होगा. बिग टू स्मॉल मल्टीप्लाई, स्मॉल टू बिग डिवाइड. millimeter to centimeter, then in 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. 35. 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 by 10 centimeter. It makes 3.5 centimeter. After it, we will convert it into meters. या तो आप डायरेक्टली जाएं कि 1 सेंटीमीटर में 1 मिलीमीटर में कितने मीटर होते हैं. 1 2 3 1 by 1000. 35 millimeter equals to 35 into 1 by 1000 meter. This one is 35 by 1000 makes 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3 decimal 0, that is meter. और आप यहाँ से भी डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. 3.5 in 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. solve it and you will got the answer 0.035. Next is in kilometer. In a kilometer, 35 millimeter in a kilometer. We know that 35 millimeter equals to 0.035 meter and 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. Solving 35 by 1000, 1 by 1000, 35 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot 0 किलोमीटर. हम यहाँ से डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं. 1 मिलीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 10 लाख. देन सॉल्व डॉट पुट करना है आपने, आंसर आ जाएगा आपके पास. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज सम नंबर 4. एक्सप्रेस दिस इन किलोग्राम. वी नो दैट 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. First part 200 gram. Then 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Cut. Remaining part is 2 by 10. It comes 0.2 kilogram. Count and put dot. Second part, multiply 1 by 1000 kilogram, cut 0 from 0, 347 by 100 makes 3.47 kilogram. Third part, 4 kilogram 8 gram, then 4 kilogram plus 8 gram. 4 kilogram plus 8, we will convert gram into kilogram, makes 1 by 1000 kilogram. 8 by 1000 makes 0.008 kilogram. Now add, आपने इस तरह से ऐड करना है, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, नंबर पार्ट के नीचे. Then it becomes 4.008 kilogram. That is your required answer. Thank you.